How to use FixtureBuilder 8.0 3D modular fixturing software. Today we're going to be building a vision fixture. First we need a plate. As we're going to be building a vision fixture, I'm going to choose vision plates. I think this one will do. As you can see, it's an acrylic base plate with 3 windows. To bring in the workpiece, I'm going to click on Import Geometry and then select my part. So here's the part. Okay, I can already see something wrong with it. The coordinate system is in the wrong place. You can see it's a long way from the part. Luckily, we can fix that in FixtureBuilder. I click on the part and then click on the part coordinate system, highlighted in yellow. If I then go to the TriBall, I can right click on the TriBall and select to center point. If I then click on the edge of the part, the coordinate system will be relocated to the center of the base of our workpiece. I'm going to move the part down to the base plate, and I'm going to do this using positioning constraints. When using positioning constraints to move a part, you select the part first. Make sure this box is ticked to ensure the part moves towards the fixture instead of the fixture towards the part. Now I want to make the base of the part to the plate. We need to add some fixturing. I'm going to use this V in our catalogue to constrain the part tangentially. I'll drag and drop the V to the corner. Okay, it's in the wrong orientation. To rotate it, we select the part and then activate the TriBall. Now select the axis we want to rotate around, in this case the Z axis, and drag. I know I want to rotate the part by 90 degrees, so I'm just going to type that in. I'm happy with the position of that V. However, we need to add some screws so we have the correct bill of materials in the assembly instructions. We want the part to sit in the middle of the V. I'm going to move it into position using positioning constraints. I'll select the part first, then positioning constraints. I'm going to set up a couple of tangent constraints on each side of the V. Now, I need something to hold the part against the V. A spring pusher clamp will be perfect. This is an interesting piece of fixturing as it's made up of multiple sub-assemblies. If you click on the clamp once and activate the TriBall, you get the TriBall for the full assembly. If I click on the thumb screw sub-assembly and activate the TriBall, I can move the sub-assembly up and down in the fixture. FixtureBuilder also allows you to move the TriBall. You may want to do this if you want to change the centre of rotation of the part or fixture. To do this, activate the TriBall and then press the spacebar. The TriBall will be highlighted in white. Right-click on the TriBall to bring up the menu. I'm going to move the TriBall to the centre point of this screw. Press spacebar again when you're happy with the position of the TriBall. I can now move the body of the fixture using the TriBall in its new location. I want this bit to be retracted as far as possible before I rotate it into position. Using the TriBall, I can rotate the pusher clamp to the correct angle. There's still a bit of a gap between the part and the clamp. To close this gap, I'm going to use mechanism mode. Making sure collision detection is enabled, I'm going to click and drag the clamp towards the part. It's not letting me go any further, as the part is in the way. Okay, that looks about right. And there we have it, a simple but functional vision fixture. Thanks for watching this video about FixtureBuilder 3D modular fixturing software. For more information, visit www.renishaw.com/FixtureBuilder.